Well, shit. Doggy fell over. You gotta help start the car now. Did it flood or it? Hold the choke. Just put my finger in that.
Hold it open a little bit.
Okay.
Not too slow.
About like this. Alright. Turn the keys, bud. Yeah, it's closed. You try it, see what... Have we got the gas or? Want me to try to start it? Or?
Yeah.
It ain't gonna start, is it?
I'll pump it a couple more times.
Pump it. Tell your mom we're gonna be late. Well, I closed the choke.
Hey, I might be a little bit late.
Car don't want to start.
Car's, if it's because the car's not wanting to start for some reason. Got back in, I'm done here at the flea market place, and it's not wanting to start.
Okay, so well, battery connection loose or? Hope the motor didn't blow. Okay, what we're doing now is checking the battery cables. Is that what you're doing? So I closed the choke, so you know. That's on there. Almost.
Might be able to get it started.
It almost started, so. That's all in there. Want me to give her a go, or? Got it open, so maybe it'll. Long enough to get me home, huh? Okay, she's running, so. She's running. Like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel.